Apple cider vinegar, ACV, is more than a kitchen staple. It's a health-promoting elixir that's been used for centuries for its numerous potential benefits. Made from the fermented juice of crushed apples, ACV carries the tangy flavor of apples, the probiotic benefits of fermentation, and the acid's potential health benefits. The mother, in apple cider vinegar, refers to a cloudy, web-like substance that you'll typically see floating in a bottle of raw, unfiltered ACV. This substance is composed of yeast and beneficial bacteria that are created during the fermentation process, which turn apple sugars into alcohol and then into acetic acid, giving the vinegar its strong, tangy flavor. The mother contains probiotics, enzymes, and antioxidants that may contribute to the health benefits of ACV. Probiotics can help improve gut health and digestion by balancing your gut microbiota, the community of microorganisms living in your intestines. Welcome to another enlightening exploration of food and health on the Very OK channel. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button, like our content, and share with your friends to help us spread the word about healthier living. If you find value in learning about beneficial food and its incorporation into your daily meals, you've come to the right place. Promotes digestive health. ACV may aid digestion and improve gut health. The acetic acid in ACV can increase the body's absorption of important minerals from the food you eat and improve bowel irregularity. Regulates blood sugar levels. A 2004 study published in Diabetes Care found that consuming ACV could promote lower blood glucose levels. This finding makes ACV potentially beneficial for people with type 2 diabetes, or anyone looking to maintain healthy glucose levels. Weight management. Some research suggests that ACV could help with weight loss by promoting feelings of fullness, leading to reduced calorie intake. A study in bioscience, biotechnology, and biochemistry showed that participants who consumed ACV for 12 weeks had lower body weight and body mass index compared to the control group. Heart health. Preliminary research suggests that ACV may contribute to cardiovascular health by aiding in the regulation of blood lipid levels, though more research is needed in this area. Skin health. ACV's antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties can help improve skin health when used topically, but it must be properly diluted to avoid irritation. Probiotic benefits. Raw, unfiltered ACV contains the mother, a mixture of beneficial yeast and bacteria formed during fermentation. This makes ACV a natural source of probiotics that can help balance your gut microbiota, contributing to improved overall health. Remember, while ACV shows potential in various health domains, it isn't a magic cure-all. Always use it as a part of a balanced diet and healthy lifestyle. Incorporating ACV into your diet can be simple and delicious. Here are some ways to use ACV. Dressings and marinades. ACV can be used to make tangy salad dressings and marinades. Try combining ACV, olive oil, and your choice of herbs for a simple homemade dressing. Drinks. ACV can be added to water or tea for a refreshing drink that also provides potential health benefits. Consider adding a bit of honey to sweeten the taste. Cooking. ACV can be used in various recipes, from soups to baked goods, for a touch of acidity. Preserving. ACV's acidic nature makes it perfect for pickling fruits and vegetables. Remember to introduce ACV into your diet gradually, and be mindful of the acidity. When buying apple cider vinegar, look for varieties that are labeled as raw or unfiltered. These types of ACV will contain the mother. It's also advisable to select organic ACV when possible, as this ensures the apples used were grown without synthetic pesticides or fertilizers. As for the practice of drinking a spoonful of ACV mixed with water before meals, this is a common use for ACV linked to its potential benefits for digestion and weight loss. Some studies have suggested that ACV may help to increase feelings of fullness, thereby helping to reduce overall calorie intake. In addition, consuming vinegar has been shown to slow the rate at which food leaves your stomach, leading to increased feelings of fullness. It's believed that the acetic acid in vinegar may also help the body produce more pepsin, the enzyme that breaks down protein in the stomach, aiding digestion. However, while there are anecdotal reports of these benefits, more scientific research is needed to confirm these effects. Do remember that while ACV has potential health benefits, it should not replace medical treatment or a balanced, nutritious diet. It's also worth noting that due to the acidity of ACV, it should always be diluted before consuming, and it's advisable to drink it with a straw to protect tooth enamel. If you have chronic health conditions or are taking regular medication, consult with a healthcare provider before incorporating ACV into your diet. And there you have it, our comprehensive guide to the benefits and uses of apple cider vinegar. If you've enjoyed and learned from this, don't forget to subscribe to Very OK, like this content, and share it with your circle. Your engagement allows us to keep creating and sharing these health-boosting nuggets of wisdom with you. Here's to healthier, tastier living together.